Ever wondered how to select the right stocks for your portfolio? Well, you're not alone. The world of stock selection can seem like a maze, but fear not, we're here to help you navigate it. Stock selection is more than just picking a name out of a hat. It's a precise science and an art that requires meticulous research and analysis. The cornerstone of this process is fundamental analysis. This involves evaluating a company's financial health, looking at factors such as earnings, revenues, assets, and liabilities, and more. It's like being a detective, sifting through financial statements and earnings reports, looking for clues about a company's future performance. This process helps you understand the real value of a company, separate from the daily fluctuations of the stock market. Remember, the first step in stock selection involves a thorough fundamental analysis. It's your foundation, your starting point in the journey of stock selection. History and science, two key pillars of successful stock selection. Let's delve into how these two elements intertwine in the world of stock investing. Historical strategies have always played a pivotal role in the success of seasoned investors. One such strategy involves diligently scrutinizing the corporate leadership and management policies of potential investment targets. It's akin to understanding the captain and crew of a ship before setting sail. This deep dive into the company's helm can offer valuable insights into its future course. Now let's step into the realm of science, where we encounter the concept of technical analysis. This involves the use of stock charts and technical indicators, tools that can help predict future price trends. By understanding these patterns and trends, investors can make informed decisions about when to buy or sell stocks. In essence, the blend of history and science in stock selection offers a potent mix. Technical analysis, coupled with historical strategies, can effectively predict future price trends. Diversification and risk management, the shields of your investment. Picture a shield made up of different pieces, each representing a different industry or asset. This is your diversified portfolio, protecting your investments from market volatility. Each piece reduces the overall risk, creating a safety net against unforeseen market downturns. Now, imagine a compass guiding this shield. This is your risk management strategy, setting your investment goals and steering your financial journey. Portfolio diversification and risk management are crucial aspects of successful investing. Stock selection, a journey guided by careful analysis and strategic decision-making. This journey involves understanding the fundamentals, scrutinizing leadership, using technical analysis, diversifying your portfolio, setting your investment goals, and employing risk management strategies. Remember, effective stock selection isn't a product of luck. It's a thoughtful, strategic process, steeped in knowledge and planning. As we unveil the mystery of stock selection, it becomes clear that the power to discover your stocks lies with you. Solving the mystery of the stock market and discovering your stocks is now in your hands.